ہاں ہاں.
تو رائے بریلی کی کوئی چیز جو آپ کو یاد ہو ایسے وہ چاہ رہی ہیں کہ آپ بتائیں وہ، تاکہ بچوں کے لیے چاہتی ہیں وہ.
جب میں بہت چھوٹی تھی تو میں انڈیا میں تھی، اور میں 6 سال 7 سال کی تھی اس وقت میں پاکستان آ گئی. مجھے بس یاد کیا ہے کہ ہمارے یہاں جو گھر تھے سب آپس میں انٹر کنیکٹڈ تھے. تو جب میں جاتی تھی وہاں سے تو 2 بندر بڑے بڑے وہ مجھے ڈراتے تھے.
اچھا یہ بتائیں آپ کی جو ہے نا اس علاقے کا نام کیا تھا جہاں آپ رہتے تھے، اس جگہ کو کیا کہتے ہیں؟ آپ لوگوں کو جو
وہ
محلہ ہے اس کا نام کیا جہاں سے آپ لوگوں کی پہچان ہے؟ آپ بتائیے.
رائے بریلی شہر تھا، اور ہمارے محلے کا نام جو ہے قلعہ تھا.
آپ بتائیں ان کا نا، آپ نانپا نانی نانو اور نانپا کے بارے میں بتائیں کہ نانپا جیسے نانپا کا کیا تھا، مطلب کہاں سے تھے؟ قلعہ کے علاقے سے تھے؟
وہ
زمیندار تھے یہ سب نا؟
وہ وہاں کے بڑے زمینداروں میں تھے، اور وہ ساری فیملی جو ہے زمیندار فیملی.
آپ کے نام کیا نام تھا نانپا کا یہ بتائیے؟
محمد اسماعیل میرے ابا کا نام تھا، اور میرے دادا کا نام محمد سلیمان تھا. اور وہ جو ہے وہ لوگ زمیندار تھے وہاں. ان کے 11 گاؤں تھے اور 1 باغ تھا.
یو نو دے ور لینڈ لارڈ. جب نانو کی شادی ہوئی تو ان کو کتنا سونا ملا تھا؟
میری امی کی جب شادی ہوئی تو وہ صرف 13 سال کی تھی، اور ہمارے ابو جو ہیں وہ 19 ایئرس کے 19 سال کے تھے.
She's telling the ages of their life.
اور ہمارے ابا جو تھے وہ اپنے ماں باپ کے اکیلے بیٹے تھے، اور ہماری امی جو ہیں وہ بیٹی اکیلی تھی، ان کے 3 بھائی تھے. اور ان کے ابو جو ہیں وہ اسکول ماسٹر تھے. وہ لوگ بارہ بنکی میں رہتے تھے. وہاں سے شادی ہو کے وہ رائے بریلی آئی تھی قلعہ میں.
Do you remember what do you remember about moving to Bangladesh?
بنگلہ دیش I have many memories.
Before, but the move.
جب آپ وہاں سے موو ہو کے
جب ہم لوگ
نے مائگریٹ کیا پاکستان،
جب میں انڈیا سے آئی تو مجھے صرف اتنا یاد ہے کہ ہم لوگ ٹرین میں تھے اور اندھیرا تھا، اور ہمارے ایک امی کے کزن جو ہے انہوں نے آ کے مجھے بہت زور سے لپٹایا تھا اور رو رہے. اور دوسری جو ہمیں دوسرا جو مجھے یاد ہے وہ یہ ہے کہ ہم لوگ کسی اسٹیشن پہ تھے. بعد میں مجھے معلوم ہوا کہ ہم لوگ کلکتے میں تھے، تو وہاں جو ہے شدید بارش ہو رہی تھی، اور ہمارے ابو جو تھے وہ ہمارا ہاتھ پکڑ کے ہم کو ٹرین میں جلدی ہم لوگوں کو ٹرین میں بیٹھنا تھا. بس مجھے یہ یاد ہے. پھر اس کے بعد جو ہے ہم لوگ بنگلہ دیش، جو اب بنگلہ دیش ہے اس پاکستان تھا، کھلا ہم لوگ آ گئے. وہاں ہمارے ماموں تھے، ہم لوگ اپنے ماموں کے گھر میں آ گئے. پھر اس کے بعد تو پھر بہت ساری جگہوں پر گئے. ہم کھلا میں اپنے ماموں کے ہاں رہے. ہمارے ابو کی کہیں نوکری ہو گئی تو پھر ہم لوگ چٹاگانگ اپنے دوسرے ماموں کے ہاں چلے گئے. پھر اس کے بعد جو ہے ہمارے ابا دوبارہ دوسری نوکری لے کے کھلا آ گئے. وہاں ہم لوگوں کو گھر مل گیا، ہم لوگ وہاں رہنے لگے. بہت اچھا گھر تھا، اور وہاں خوب بڑا سا باغ تھا آم کا، اور آم کا ایک درخت تھا. اس کے اوپر جو ہے ایک سانپ رہتا تھا، اور وہ جو ہے اڑنے والا سانپ تھا، تو ہم لوگوں کو رات میں نکلنے سے منع کیا جاتا. It was just small, not very big.
But used to live on the tree. They were living in Khulna, so they were not allowed to go out.
Everybody said don't go there.
Yeah. آپ لوگ کس سال میں گئے تھے؟
ہم لوگ 52 میں.
52, okay.
52.
تو وجہ کیا تھی جانے کی؟ لینڈ ریفارمز ہو رہے تھے وہ کیا؟
بھائی سارے لینڈ ریفارم ہو گیا تھا، ساری جائیداد
زمین لے لی تھی.
زمین لے لی تھی. ہمارے ابو جو ہیں وہ جاب کرتے تھے، لیکن ایک گورنمنٹ جاب تھی. اور مسئلہ یہ تھا کہ ہمارا سارے ہمارے ماموں 3 ماموں تھے، تینوں جو ہے وہ پاکستان آ چکے تھے.
Okay, so why Bangladesh? Because of the job, Bangladesh?
No, because of that کہ جو ہم امی کے like the mamus, the Potwale Nana and Chote Nana and Bade Nana,
वो लोग रेलवे
because
में
Nana Appa did not have any real siblings. He didn't have any kind of like, he was the only child. So when all land reform, because of land reforms, they took the land, and he had a small job in government. So, and all his brother-in-laws were in Pakistan. So because of that, he moved there.
Okay.
And
Then
there
he
was
decided
very-
to just be closer to the family, maybe, and they were Potwale Nana was doing well there, and the other two were also okay. Like one was in railway, the other one was
they
a
were
school
in
teacher.
railway and
So
transfer.
they had a better life in Pakistan.
in
That's why.
West Pakistan. They were also in
East
West.
East Pakistan.
They
See,
were all in East.
They were in East Pakistan. They were all in East Pakistan. Potwale Nana was in Chalna and
Chalna Port,
Chalnapur
he was
and
in
Chitko
Chalna
and
Port, he was,
Potwale.
had a good job there and good big house
Yeah.
and servants and everything.
And the other two mamus, like the Potwale Nana, Mami's dad, and Bade Nana was Mami's dad, and then Chote Nana, he did not have any kids. So they were living in Chittagong.
And all my mother's uncle
Cousins and
uncle
everybody.
sons and
Like you
family.
must have heard about from Siraj, Hilal Nana.
Yes, of course.
Hilal Nana are Nanu's cousins, first cousin.
First
like.
cousin.
So Nanu's uncle, Nanu's chacha was also living there. So they said, why? you
Everybody
guys
is
are-
a
why-
migrant.
they were closer families. So they said,
Got
why
it.
do you have
so
to
yeah,
stay
you
there?
went with your Abu and your Ammi and your daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And-
Dadi. Yeah,
and-
Dadi.
Bhaijan.
Huh.
Haan.
Bhajan,
And
of course.
Zarina was very Zarina or that I don't know.
One of them was.
One of them was there. So
The
most
small.
probably Bibi was there, and then Antu was born in East Pakistan.
Huh.
I think my mom must be pregnant or I don't know, but that is something very.
No, I don't think so. Only Antu kahan was pregnant tha? You
हाँ,
52 में गए हैं.
हाँ.
Antu was not.
नहीं,
He
नहीं,
was Antu
after.
was born in Bangladesh.
In Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay, and then some life in Bangladesh. She's talking about that already.
Very nice. Though my father first get a job far from there. Then afterward we came to when a jute mill started. My father got a job.
Appa. He was called Appa. They
Appa.
used to call him
Another
Appa.
Appa.
हाँ.
Appa.
Appa got a job. He was an administrative officer like that, and we got a house and a big, a big compound. In that compound there was a big mango tree.
Ah.
On that the snake used to live.
Oh, so you couldn't go outside. Oh, okay.
In the night, they were not
In the
allowed.
night.
Yeah.
Oh.
The bathroom was after that. Afterward, so we have.
It used to be after. It was outside of the house.
हाँ सहन क्रॉस करके था तो रात में जाने में डर लगता था तो फिर उसके बाद जो है वो वहाँ उस जमाने में कंस्ट्रक्शन तो हो रही थी तो वो एक हिंदू का घर था जिस पर हम लोग गए थे 3-4 कमरे थे तो फिर उसमें अप्पा ने फिर वो एक्सटेंशन करवाया एक बाथरूम बनवाया गया
ये रात के इस्तेमाल किया.
नहीं रात के नहीं वो फुल बाथरूम बन नहाने का
ये कि आपके दानप्पा वगैरह की जिससे वहाँ जो जूट मिल के लोग थे उनसे दोस्ती थी ना, वो कह रहे हैं कि दोस्त है बाप को रहे होंगे.
हाँ वो लोग बहुत ख्याल करने वाले लोग थे
Ammi did not have any friends because
Yes.
she did not have a formal schooling. When she went to college, in the college they were only male.
It was a co-college, and in that we in my class there were two women. 2 were married.
Yes.
I was
The only girl.
only girl. In India we were very strict.
Huh.
They take the veil and this and that, but in Pakistan we don't take veil.
Okay.
Still the strictness was that I need not to talk with any boy
Okay.
or interact anybody, and at that time the teachers also take very care. They when I'm in some classes I was only girl and there were 50 or 40 boys. So when they go, they call me from the common room. They say, send Rihanna, and they take me with them, and when they came out,
You could not be alone with them.
no, not at all.
And
Students, they make fun.
yes, of course.
So I was
You're very protected.
very protected.
But you always felt sorry you did not have friends, no? It was your daddy, I think. It was your
Yeah, she was the best friend of mine.
So I think I remember you saying that although you had a lot of staff, you just had to learn how to make chapatis for your
Yeah.
papa.
She when she said she make chapati and make two for me. Learn how to make. Learn how to make. And I used to sleep with my daddy's in daddy's room. There was my bed. I used to sleep there. So
Very close to her.
yeah, very close. Because my daddy don't have any daughter. She had got a daughter who passed away at the age of 5 or 4.
Oh, only the one son.
Only son. My father was the only son.
And there was you did not have a dada?
No, Dada died when I was 4 months,
Oh, so before
4 or 6 months.
before the move.
Yeah. So I don't know.
No.
I haven't seen. But my father's uncle was married with Khala,
Okay.
and he was Sagi Khal, real brother and of my Dada. So I know that he is my Dada.
I think so. Your side of the family were like Osman Mamu, and they were in Bangladesh too, or no?
Yeah, Usman Mamu's house. We came to Usman Mamu's house.
Oh, okay.
Even my mother's uncle was there and uncle's family was there, but we came to Mamu Jan's house. That is Usman Mamu. At that time, Usman Mamu was the only child.
Okay.
After that, Irfan and I think Irfan was there, because Irfan and Zarina was almost same age.
And then, when did you first go to Karachi?
First time we came to Karachi when Bhaijan has passed his MSc, then he joined PIA. So he was posted to Karachi. So first किस सन में आए हमें याद ही नहीं है.
कहाँ?
मेरी शादी जब
When was your shadi?
67.
67. So before.
66 में हम लोग आए थे.
So you went for the first time.
First time to Karachi.
Okay, and then you came back, and 67 you went again.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Probably she must have gone in 66. She got married at the beginning of 66 March.
Because
okay.
on that we lived here for 2 months or 3 months
Okay.
in Karachi,
Okay.
and Atiya Baji's father was my uncle.
Okay.
He was my
Nanapa's first cousin.
first cousin. So he proposed that we should get married.
So when did you hear about this?
Eh?
When did you hear about the proposal?
We were going.
She was visiting
Going
Karachi.
back to Bangladesh.
And then you heard.
And then, no, I don't heard. I don't heard.
Because Humaira Baji
Yes.
said she's talking about the guy who proposed to Nanappa that Ammi and Abu are a good match is actually Humaira Baji's dad. I wanted just now.
The circle is round.
Yeah, so he is Nanappa's first, he was Nanappa's first cousin and Abbu's brother-in-law.
Okay.
Like Abbu's oldest sister's husband.
So, and how long did it then take for the proposal?
How long?
How did
नहीं, शादी
the
कितने दिनों में
proposal
हुई?
get
तो ऑफिस से 7
accepted?
में आई थी जब ये जो है आप लोग शादी आपकी 10-12 दिन में हो गई थी ना?
नहीं तो हम लोग चले गए.
You went to
फिर उसके-
Bangladesh.
हैं?
You
She
to
went
Bangladesh.
back. Yeah,
You went to
went
Bangladesh.
back.
And
अच्छा,
then my Abbu accepted the ring and wrote to Humaira Baji's father,
हाँ.
uncle.
मोहम्मद अहमद अंगद
हाँ.
चाचा मोहम्मद अहमद.
If you are satisfied, then we can go for it.
What do you remember?
What I
She does not remember anything.
because I never saw him or anybody. Only I meet Afzal's mother,
Okay.
and I was very free because Atiya was get engaged.
Atiya Baji was already engaged to Chacha.
Right.
Huh.
So Chacha,
And
you know, is
Yes.
always been like talking. He's an
Easy,
extrovert
yeah.
kind of a guy. So
Yes.
he was
So I was very curious to meet Afzal.
Atiya's
I
fiance.
say because I won't be here when
they get
Afzal will be married. I
When
never
did you
know
know?
anything. And
Oh.
when they Afzal मॉम के मैं उनसे बहुत बातें कर रही थी. अतिया के लिए आप कैसे कपड़े बना रही हैं? बहुत चमकदार कपड़े नहीं बने. मुझे अफजाल से मिलने का बड़ा शौक है. मैं तो चली जाऊंगी, फिर कहाँ आऊंगी, कहाँ मुलाकात होगी.
Right.
They came
They
for
never told you.
proposal, but I don't know.
Ammi did not know about it.
So, do you remember when did you hear? Do you remember?
Huh?
Who told you? Your
Who told you? I was just putting this
सबने तेल
oil
है.
in my
In Bangladesh?
Abu.
Okay.
The letter came. He opened. So that we are coming for the marriage of Hilal. So we will come for.
हाँ, they accept. तो आपको उस वक्त तक रिश्ता तय हो चुका था.
रिश्ता तय हुआ.
आपको पता था कि रिश्ता
ये
हो गया.
मालूम था कि कहीं कोई सिलसिला चल रहा
हाँ,
है.
okay. So like the thing is that
मगर किससे चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, इनको
Ammi
नहीं
just
मुझे
knew
मालूम.
that there is some kind of a proposal thing is going on, but she did not know what is like. It wasn't finalized. But then she got Nanappa got a letter from किसकी तरफ से? दादा की तरफ से या?
दादा का खत आया.
Okay, so Dada, who is Dada? Dada is Afzal Chacha's dad. So he wrote a letter to Nanappa that we are coming to Bangladesh, Dhaka. They were coming to get Achhe Abbu, the guy whose brother who lives in defense,
Yes.
for his marriage. He got married in Dhaka. So at the same time, since we are coming here, so we are also going to come to you to get this.
And that I know
Sorted.
that something is going on.
And then we will get them married too at the same time.
In
Not-
Dhaka.
no, they were Dhaka. Then Dhaka, from Dhaka we'll come to Kulna and we'll perform the marriage and then
In
that's it.
Kuna.
Yeah.
And
It
we
was
were
in Kuna.
Yeah, we
Oh.
got married. in
We
Kulna.
were in Khulna.
Wow. So when did you see Abu?
After she got married to him.
After.
So I know that something is going on,
Yes.
but I never know that who the person is.
Yeah, it's like this. You
Yes,
know,
of
there are
course.
this is
Yes.
so common. I think I even saw that in my. I remember we had in like a family and our neighbors. They had so many daughters. So I remember they were like two older ones who were already married, but the third one got married. So I was very curious to know, did you see your husband? Did she know? She said, no, my mom and dad saw him and that's fine. And probably she just saw a picture of him and that's it. And they got married.
So
And she was going
then
to
I was
US.
married in 10 days.
वो वाली सऊदी अरब में थी फरहाना.
And then you flew to Karachi.
Yeah, then I came to Karachi.
So how was it? Tell us about Karachi, your start. How was your first impression and in the family? How was that?
No, everything. Atiya Baji's family took the charge because she was out of and
Yes.
Abu's eldest sister. Everybody was so nice. They
They
had
were not
taken-
difficult people.
No, they were.
Yeah, that's
very-
nice of people.
Yeah. But and what did you think of Karachi after Bangladesh?
मैं तो कराची में पहले 6-4 महीने रह के गई।
क्या
आपका क्या
ख्याल
इम्प्रेशन
था?
गुड था बैड था क्या था
Bad
नहीं,
था।
कराची मुझे कोई ऐसा खास नहीं, बस ये एक अजीब सी बात थी कि इतने सारे रिश्तेदारों से मुलाकात हुई। Everybody,
Especially
every day
from
somebody is
dad's
coming
side.
to meet us.
Ah.
And अम्मी से, oh, say salam to Chacha.
Who is judging?
My brother,
Like
my
there's so
father-
many of them.
Yes.
Nanapa's cousins, there were so many of the cousins and
See,
Nanapa's extended.
We have
relatives.
so many.
Suddenly
My
huge family.
father has so many brothers and I don't know.
Ah. Ah. And but you came from a very small place to a city,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay,
But
so
I still miss the small place.
till today.
Yeah, even today. Those are my
Yes.
Cherished
memories.
Yeah. But you went back to Bangladesh, I think. No, when
No,
you were
we never
born.
went back. No.
No, but when
No,
you,
no, no. Yeah. When only when like
Visits.
me and Siraj were born, and that maybe just to visit them. But that was a shorter period because after that, fall of Dhaka happened.
Yeah, fall of Dhaka happened after Siraj was born.
Yes, Siraj. So after Siraj's birth.
Ah. And then that was it. Then what happened after the fall of Dhaka? Also, your father came, no?
Yeah,
To
The
Karachi.
whole family came.
Everybody was in Karachi.
everybody migrated.
I see your face fall.
Yeah, and then Ammi's Mamu, Chote Nana, like mommy's dad, like Shahab Ghyas's grandmother and grandfather, they, and then Chote Nana and Choti Nani, Nanu's other brother, they were prisoner of war.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
They lived in a prisoner.
Oh, yeah, it took a long time also, no?
Yeah, I think so.
they
When
were
did
in
they come?
Chittagong.
कब आए थे? नन्ना नहीं थी ना?
Wasn't it one that
नन्ना
they...
तो आ गई थी ना यहाँ.
Nanna was not mommy's mom because I think she was here. Ghayas was born, that's why I think she was here.
But wasn't there one relative who was presumed that they passed away and then came back or something? No?
that's from Abu's side
That's from Abu's side.
Okay, okay.
Said
That was in 1947.
Oh, okay, okay.
And we, I was also in खुलना खुलना ही में तो सिराज हुए हैं. हाँ. Kusia was 1.5 year old.
140
Oh,
months
what
old.
a bad time. No doctor was available. One lady doctor came. She was from that Mamujan arranged her, and Siraj born at home.
In very difficult
Yeah,
circumstances.
very difficult. And he was having a cord
Around his neck.
around the neck.
So then you went back to Karachi, and do you want to tell something? The
After
kids were
that,
growing up, and
we came back. Then after that, Abu, my father and mom and everybody came back. Hilal Mamu and they
Yeah, the whole
by-
family, then they all moved back.
they migrated by the ship, Chinese ship.
okay.
Yeah.
They were in port, Chalna port.
हाँ, they were.
वहाँ आया हुआ था तो वहाँ से ये लोग
हिलाना वगैरह आ गए थे आखिर.
चाइनीज शिप था उसके ऊपर आए. फिर ये लोग पता नहीं कहाँ जाके उतरे और फिर वहाँ से दोबारा कराची पहुंचे.
अच्छा.
बहुत मुश्किलों से वो आए.
My God, so many migrations.
So many migrations, right?
Migration, it was migration.
Nanu was very, used to feel very depressed if anybody used to talk about migrating from Pakistan. She said, I've seen so many migrations, I don't want anybody to
Yeah.
migrate.
But even now with you all.
Yeah, of course.
Though
Doesn't stop.
even the Bengalis have taken care of our family.
But not every Bengali can be trusted at that time.
He says that, uncle, if knock the door, don't open at night
He was worried.
because it is so dangerous.
So what happened with this Nagin?
Huh?
What happened with that Nagin?
जो उड़ने वाली नागिन थी वहाँ पे.
मार दिया था उसको बाद.
Oh my God.
تو اس کی آنکھوں میں
اڑ کے آئی
تصویر
تھی, دیکھا تھا اتنی سی تھی ہوتی ہے.
کس کو
I thought it was an Ichchadhari Nagin.
اس
I
کے
thought it
اوپر
was an
لائنیں
Ichchadhari
سرخ اور پیلی.
کس نے مارا تھا؟
ہمارے نے کہا کام کرتا تھا لڑکا, اس نے مارا. اس نے کہا تھا ارے یہ بہت بدماش ہوتی ہے کہ جہاں جا کے اڑ کے آتی ہے سر پہ کاٹتی.
I also really want to know what you did with getting these three educated and stuff.
You know, there is one thing
Yes.
that is called Tambihul Ghafilin.
What is that? Oh, the slipper?
No, not the slipper. Like other word for this thing is malabakhsh, like a stick.
Stick.
Because I never went to
So
school.
that
I was very eager that they should go to
in my opinion, that how she made that thing happen is the person who faces this a lot. You should interview. You can always interview anytime your husband.
He
He
was supposed to
got the
tell.
most.
So it means that he was the most difficult person. Right?
For a year, I have commuted from North Nagmabad with bus.
With Siraj.
Yeah.
Even not doing homework and everything, it's things like that. And he was
Siraj can
There was
tell you
no-
a lot of stories about the
But how did you get him? Why did you send him to St. Patrick's?
St.
And by
Patrick's-
these good, yeah. So why did you tell me?
Because I never went to a school.
her point of view was that schools make your personality. So if you go to a good school, then you will have like all the mannerism, all the
Then there was
personality.
when we were searching for best school.
It didn't work.
There was
آگے یہ تو نہیں کیا.
there was examination.
It did, don't say that.
Admission for 4 seats. So in St. Patrick's. So I said we should go for that. Siraj was there.
Afternoon shift.
The teacher said, please talk in Urdu. No, madam. English.
Siraj was over smart since he was a kid.
Oh, only English. And
Did
for-
Siraj tell you that he had an accident also when he was school?
Yeah.
in 10 seats, 4 children were selected for another exam was there. Siraj was selected.
کسی کو تو ضرورت ہے نا.
When I went, I was so happy. Oh my God. The person was standing.
and
Whom you have contacted that he gets the seat. I said, I haven't contacted anybody.
He was just brilliant.
For Qudsiya, oh my God.
تو میری اسٹوری تقار کے سامنے مت سنائی نہیں تو
ارے بھیا انہوں نے کلاس 3
مجھے نہیں کروانا. مجھے میری اسٹوری
یا
نہیں
تو کلاس 5 میں ایڈمیشن دیں گے یا کلاس 5 میں دیں گے. کپا کلپن ہے بھائی, پاس کر چکی ہے
یہ تو لگی ہوئی ہے.
ہائی اسکول میں. Just either take admission in class 5 or in class 3.
So is there anything else you want to share?
Then one day I was coming from
نہیں چھوڑ دیں اس کو. آپ اسکول کے ایڈمیشن تو چھوڑ دیجیے. اب آپ کچھ اور بات کر لیجیے پلیز. آپ میری تو بالکل بھی بات نہیں کریں. میں وائس ریکارڈ لگ جائے گا.
سب کو معلوم ہے, کون نہیں جانتا. نصیر حسن was sitting there.
نہیں بھائی کیا ضرورت ہے آپ کو میری پوری کہانی سنانے کی. چھوڑ دینا. آپ اس کہانی کے علاوہ بھی تو بات کر سکتی ہیں.
اچھا بھائی ٹھیک ہے, نہیں بتاتے.
Shall we take a break?
Yes, please.